Alright, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. I just wanted to show y'all my new stickers I designed for my website, right? It's a QR code sticker. Y'all see. Now I ordered over 1,000 of these stickers, these waterproof stickers. And my goal for these stickers is basically just to get some more foot traffic to my website, Yon World. I understand we're moving into a digital age, and millennials, younger people, the kids, they know what a QR code is, right? And this code, right, seeing these codes, they're gonna become more and more prevalent as we move toward the future, you know, within the next 10 years. So I got these stickers, and everywhere I go, I don't care if it's a restaurant, gas station, if I see a good location, I always put my sticker. So this is just another level of me branding myself, you know, the Yon World stickers. And I made these stickers myself. If you read it, say Detroit, Miami, Atlanta, New York, Los Angeles, Vegas, and at the bottom it just say Yon World is a multi-purpose channel designed to connect through music, technology, and spirituality. And got my website right here. A little logo I designed in Yon World, the text. So yeah, I made me some stickers, and I'm gonna just place these everywhere. That's my whole goal. I'm gonna put these everywhere I go. I don't care if I'm at the airport, in a bathroom stall, anywhere, man. I'm gonna keep some on me at all times, and you know, just brand myself. I always see people putting stickers everywhere, you know, people putting stickers everywhere with their brand, their logo, you know. And I just wanted a sticker that was noticeable, so I made it red. And I wanted a sticker that had some type of function, right? I wanted the sticker to have a function, so I made a QR symbol, right? It's a website you can go on, you can make QR codes, but I made a QR code symbol, so when you scan this, like even if you took a screenshot of this on camera and scanned this, it would take you directly to my website. That's how cold the technology is. So yeah, iPhones, Androids, you know, the cameras already come preloaded with the technology to scan QR codes. So it's real simple on the iPhone. Just let me show y'all, since I'm recording, right? All you would do is swipe down, and then you go right here, the QR code, and then it automatically catch it, right? It just catch it automatically. Then it bring you to my website, right? It bring you to my website, accept the cookies, and from here you see everything my website offers. So yeah, that's the QR code. That's my new stickers, you know. And yeah, got some grease on one of them. But yeah, these are my new stickers for Yon World. You know, there's levels to the branding, so you got to start somewhere. And we got the YouTube channel, we got the website, now we got the stickers. You know, we're gonna place these in high traffic locations. That's my goal. A lot of high traffic locations, restaurants, gas stations, you know, places where people gonna see these. And just to have this being seen everywhere, you know, I want this to be seen everywhere, all around the city of Detroit, definitely. Anywhere I go in the city of Detroit, and in the suburbs, you know, I've been hitting the suburbs with these too. So yeah, it's your boy Yon World. We got the stickers. So I just wanted to make this video, give y'all a little update, show y'all what I'm doing, how I'm investing some of my money, branding myself. I don't know how many, this probably about 100 or 200, but I got thousands of these and I gotta get them all off. I gotta paste them everywhere. Gotta put them everywhere. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.